How to start CPA marketing for beginners. Hello and welcome. Picture this, a single click earning you money. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Today, we're delving into the captivating realm of CPA marketing, where this becomes reality. From understanding its intricacies to choosing the right niche and strategies, we've got a comprehensive guide coming up. But why should you stay with us till the end? Because we've filled this video with expert tips, strategic insights, and a blueprint to kickstart your CPA marketing journey. So buckle up. We're embarking on a profitable adventure that's not to be missed. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding CPA marketing. CPA stands for Cost Per Action. It's a type of affiliate marketing where advertisers pay for a specific action taken by a potential customer. The action can be anything from filling out a form, signing up for a trial, or making a purchase. It's a performance-based marketing strategy that's gaining popularity because it's mutually beneficial for both the advertiser and the marketer. As a CPA marketer, you promote products or services of businesses on your platform, and for every successful action completed by a visitor or user, you earn a commission. This method allows businesses to ensure they're only paying for tangible results, while marketers enjoy the benefits of earning from every qualified action. Section 2. Starting in CPA marketing. Step 1. Research and understand your niche. The first step is to identify your niche. A niche is a specific area of interest that you want to focus on in your marketing campaigns. It's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, because this will make your marketing strategies more authentic and effective. It's equally important to research the demand and competition in your chosen niche. This information will help you identify profitable opportunities and shape your marketing strategy. Step 2. Choose a CPA network. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to join a CPA network. CPA networks are platforms that connect advertisers and marketers. Some popular CPA networks include MaxBounty, Peerfly, and ClickBooth. When choosing a CPA network, consider factors such as the range of offers, payment terms, and the support provided. Some CPA networks require an application and approval process, so be ready to show them that you're serious and have a clear plan of action. Step 3. Select an offer. After joining a CPA network, you'll have access to a variety of offers from different advertisers. Each offer will have its own set of rules, target audience, and commission rate. Take time to analyze these factors and select an offer that aligns with your niche and audience. Section 3. Successful CPA marketing strategies. Now that you have an offer, the next step is to strategize on how to market it effectively. Here are a few strategies that have proven to work well for CPA marketers. Strategy 1. Content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful way to engage your audience, establish your authority in the niche, and promote your CPA offers. You can create blogs, articles, ebooks, or videos that provide valuable information related to your offer. Remember to include a strong call to action, or CTA, in your content that directs your audience to the offer. Strategy 2. Search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is a method of improving your website or blog's visibility on search engines. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, you can attract organic traffic that's interested in your niche. SEO is a long-term strategy that requires patience, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Strategy 3. Social media marketing. Social media platforms are an excellent place to promote your CPA offers. You can create engaging posts, start discussions, and even run paid ads to reach a wider audience. Keep in mind that each social media platform has its own unique audience, so adapt your strategies accordingly. Section 4. Tips for success in CPA marketing. Tip 1. Continually learn and adapt. CPA marketing, like any other field, is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies. Attend webinars, join online communities, and follow experts in the field. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and succeed. Tip 2. Analyze and optimize. Successful CPA marketers constantly analyze their performance and optimize their strategies. Use analytics tools to track your campaign's performance. Identify what's working and what's not, and make necessary adjustments. Remember, it's a process of trial and error. Tip 3. Build relationships. Building strong relationships with your audience and your CPA networks can significantly contribute to your success. Engage with your audience regularly, understand their needs, and provide value. Maintain a good relationship with your CPA network. They can provide valuable insights and better offers. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to starting in CPA marketing. It's a journey filled with opportunities and challenges, but with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication, you can navigate through this exciting landscape and achieve remarkable success. Remember, patience is key. Don't expect instant results. With consistent effort, you can gradually build a successful CPA marketing career. We hope this video has provided you with a good foundation to start from. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, happy CPA marketing!